Want to know how to change your currency in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. So we have also created a video on how to install and log into MoonPay, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done that, you should be provided with this front screen right here. And on the top right corner, you should be seeing your gear icon or your settings icon. Just simply select it. Now, once you've selected the settings icon here, you should be seeing preferences right below Moon tag. So just simply select it. Now, once you select the preferences on first, you should be seeing currency. So just simply select currency right here. And now once you've done that here, you should be seeing various currencies available. You can also search for it by searching it right here, and you can scroll through and find the currency that you want. And once you found it, just simply click on it and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now your currency has been changed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.